Squad. Thanks for coming in for this new video. And supposedly, if you dip someone's hand in warm water, it'll make them pee themselves. So, let's test it out. So my brother, Joey, is going to go try to bring me right now. I'm already awake. So we were getting a ride home today, and then he pulls in our driveway, and his radiator busts, and now there's this green shit everywhere. What the heck is this?
Fucking Rusty's off-road, I'm damn.
First, what was it? First it was your brake, now it's your radiator.
I didn't get my fucking brakes fixed.
Don't
either.
breathe that in, bro.
You think it can get you high? Well, let me tell you, you got the hookup.
Oh, yeah.
Every time we come over here,
That's right.
some awesome dessert is made. It's just great, isn't it, Luke? So I take the golf cart to my nan's house,
There's that.
and she's just got weed laying around.
I don't you put that on there.
Why do you have weed,
You'll
man?
have somebody breaking in on me.
Why can't... Man, you better hide that weed for the cops
On
come.
there, Joey. People will kill you.
They're gonna kill us because my grandma has
I
weed.
just got a little dab of me.
Have a little what of milk?
A dab.
Like a dab?
Yeah.
Do it. Dab of milk. There we go. Kind of had a short vlog for you guys, but I still hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
I don't get